What's going on, YouTube? So today I actually forgot to film before I started this project, but I am having a child. I'm going to be a dad, and my wife had a PW80, a 1994 PW80 when she was a child, and I am going to be restoring it completely. I will throw a picture up on the screen of what it looked like before I started right now. I will show you guys the sub-assembly breakdown that I've done so far because I forgot, or I didn't forget, but I didn't film. So this is where we're going to start the series, and we're going to go from here, and I'm going to completely restore everything back to new, and we'll see where it goes. So check it out. All right, guys, so here is the sub-assembly breakdown, as I would call it. I have everything broken down into more manageable things to clean up a little further. The bike did run before I took it apart. It ran just fine, no issues. As you can tell, it's just dirty. I don't think a whole lot has ever been changed out on it, other than maybe your normal maintenance stuff, but overall, not in bad shape, just really dirty, but everything's going to get repainted, sandblasted, the whole nine. I'm going to have my buddy do up the suspension, because that was actually the one thing that really inspired this, was that the suspension was completely shot on this, and I just want to make it nice again, so my son can enjoy it like his mom did. So stay tuned. I'm going to be going through each and everything. I'm going to just do it in like a series format, and you guys can follow along there. I've got everything broken down and labeled in bags, so it's easier to stay organized, because I am very adamant about staying organized here. So can't get these things done without staying organized. That's crucial. I did forget to mention that this is replaced by me. I put a new tire on it, I believe 2 years ago, but honestly it just gets ridden in the yard, so I will probably just clean it up really well and use this. Probably going to get a new front. I'm assuming this is original. All right, so I hope you guys will follow along this journey, restoration, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to do it, and you guys should watch it. So we will see you guys on the next one.